And I remember telling the CEO of a travel company, and I went and visited them, and I said, you need the skills. Okay, you got a nice fancy office here. Would you like the heating and air conditioning to work here? Water system to work? You want the power to stay on? That's where you're going to need the different kinds of minds. And you need the mathematician, autistic person, and you need a visual thinker like me, both working on the projects. You need the different kinds of minds. And there's brain scan stuff that shows that the fear centers light up when they hear a loud noise. Let's work on treatments. And one of the things that's worked is where a child can control a loud sound, such as a vacuum cleaner, where the child can turn that on and off and they control it. That can help desensitize it. The other thing that can be a problem is if you wear headphones all the time or ear protectors all the time, you're going to make it worse. No, have them with you all the time. That's control. Okay, and you go in a bathroom with a horrible hand dryer, you can put it on. You can put that headset on. But dealing with the sensory issues, how to actually, treat them. I would put research into that. You're on it. I don't even know if I'd be alive now if I hadn't taken the medication. I think I
honestly find this
out for colitis.
I find this very, very interesting because I also take sertraline for my anxiety, which is I have autism, but the autism isn't the thing that holds me back. I feel it's how overwhelming the life is, and I often wonder, should I be promoting the use of medication or should I wean myself off of it?